Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kurosh, and in this video I want to show you how I edited my last video, which was a b-roll of my desk. And so to start off with effects and things that I did, we can see that over here, if you remember, I had a low pass filter that like fades in the music, and you can see over here. So the way that I did that was through adding keyframes. So for the first keyframe, which was over here, I just clicked on this button, and then afterwards for each keyframe that you want to add, you click on this one. And so you can see I have 2, 3, 4 and 5 keyframes. So this one was from to fade in, and then this one was a drastic one that happens over here at this point, and then the music is off for the rest of the video, and then at the end it turns down. So that is how that transition worked. Going to next one, we have the bezels coming in. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, you can see that the top and the bottom bezels start shrinking in, and that was another effect that I had to learn how to do. And how that is done is through adding a new adjustment layer. So you come down here, click on adjustment layer, and then you drag it on the top of everything else. And then I had to keyframe that one as well. So for that, you click on your adjustment layers, go to your effect controls at the top, and then you can see that I have a crop effect over here for the top and the bottom. At the first keyframe, I set them at 0, and then I looked up the values, and they're supposed to be 12% from top and 12% from bottom. So at the second keyframe, I set them at 12% for top and bottom. And again, for keyframes, you click on these two, these two for the first one, and then afterwards, if you want to add a keyframe, you click on these two, and it automatically increases the effect the way that you like, in this case linearly. Then over here, my original footage was very shaky, so what I did is that you can go to effects and you can type in warp stabilizer, and then you drag that on the video of your choice to stabilize it. And that is what I did for that shaky video of mine that I had. You can see that over here it actually shows the warp stabilizer. So there are many different options for that if you'd like, I can go through them in another video, but I want to keep this one short video, so I'm gonna move on. Over here I had my different b-rolls, and then this sequence over here, if I play it for y'all, you can see how it goes from one video to another one, and how one video is on the top of the other video. So the way that this transition worked is that for this one I had to use the pen tool. So go to the video on the top that you'd like, go to opacity settings, use this pen tool over here, and then so the original video that I had over here was a video of me going down into under my desk, but then you can use a pen tool, and if I show the effect, you can see that if I go to the mask, you can see how these are different frames of how I masked it out. So you use a pen tool, you put a mask around the area that you'd like to the transition to happen at, and then you put the other video that you want to transition into underneath it, and that is like a way that it transitions between the two videos. That was my favorite and the one that took the most to make. And then over here you can see how these shots are different. That's because this one actually is another shot. If I come up here, you can see I have another mask. If I turn this up, was actually the orange vitamin C bag that I use, or box, whatever. But I wanted it to be consistent between this shot and this shot, so I made a mask around the orange box, and then I inverted it so that the thing underneath it showed up. So yeah, that is the other transition that I did. And then moving on, I have different B-rolls over here that some are stabilized and some are not. Over here you can see my other music fade out, I wanna say, low pass filter that I added. It happens over here, and then I wait for a few frames, and then this is me. And then to add this piece of music, the way that I did it was that I selected the piece of music that I wanted, or I copied and pasted it, Command C and Command V, and then I trimmed the part that I like. So I was like, oh wow, this is a good part. I is a shortcut for N, or you can use this mark, and I was like, this is a good fade out point. So O is a shortcut for this, and you can see, you can grab the music from there and put it on there. And yeah, that is how I edited this video. I hope you liked it. If you did so, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and down below in the comments let me know if you have any other questions or any tips for any future videos that you want me to make. Really appreciate your feedback. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Peace out.